people in the world are fed up of this quarantine lockdown. Is it no end for this?
I was talking about this uh, 2 days ago, and a video has already gone to parents. Probably you will also watch it today. When you go back home, you can watch that video. I've answered this question. I was telling about what happened 100 years ago. First World War happened for 4 years, and after that, Spanish flu for 2 years. 6 years of trouble. Our ancestors, our elders have seen enough of troubles. You go to any century, there were wars. When kings were ruling, most of them were autocratic. There were heavy taxes. There were so many pandemics in the history of human beings. Yes, situation is tough, but no need to feel low. Turn this disadvantage into an advantage. Turn this crisis into an opportunity. You are sitting at home now. You are getting HEADS program. In other words, teachers are coming to your house. Now, Amarnath sir is going to come to your house. When you watch this, now, since you are watching this video, I'm in your house. Earlier, you used to come all the way to school. Then you used to listen to our teaching. Now we are all coming to your home. What is its program? Holistic education at the doorstep. No need for you to travel every day 1 hour in the morning in school van or auto or whatever way you used to come to school. No need to get exposed to pollution. Morning 1 hour, evening 1 hour. I'm not telling you don't have disadvantages. You got disadvantages. I'm not denying that. But there are advantages also. Why you don't keep describing your problem? Can I have that water bottle, please? You get up. Can you hold this water bottle? Can you hold this water bottle? Hold this way. Hold this way. Yeah. Okay. How do you feel now? Not very heavy or okay? Okay. If I ask you to stand like this, holding it for 10 hours, can you do that? Why?
Because it will feel
Now you are not feeling, right? Then why after some time you will start feeling heavy? Because you are carrying this weight is not that much, right? But if it stays on your body, stays in your hand for a long time, you feel as if the weight is going up, and a point of time you can't hold it any longer. Same way, when you are confronted with a problem, think of a solution. Challenge the problem. That's what our ancestors did from time immemorial. Long ago, our ancestors were in prehistoric age. They were living in forest, no houses. They used to live in caves on such like places. Right or wrong? There was not even fire in the beginning. They have to kill animals or collect roots, tubers, and eat that kind of raw meat, raw food. But through struggle, humanity has progressed. Human life is all about encountering challenges. These challenges have brought out, they have come out with solutions, and the progress was possible because of these challenges. But what is happening today, media keeps describing your problem. Children are sitting at home, they are feeling lonely. You feel self-pity. Hurry, I'm sitting at home, I'm this way. You are describing your problem again and again. If you feel for the problem again and again, it becomes a neuro-linguistic program. The problem gets ingrained in your mind. I'm feeling lonely, I'm feeling depressed, Really, you will go to depression. Don't keep on describing your problem. Challenge your problem. Find a solution. Overcome the problem. How long this pandemic will last? Already vaccine has come, even though there are some controversies with regard to the vaccine. Another 100 vaccines are on their way. The coronavirus has become already is becoming weaker and weaker. So this pandemic will not last for more than few weeks. And then when you look back, all these times will, oh my God, I had this kind of a different experience. Again, the routine will come back to your life. This pandemic will not come in your lifetime. And you will be describing it to your grandchildren also as bedtime stories. So turn this into an advantage. Keep doing what you like. Read books. Pursue your hobby. Help your mom. Understand your parents. Talk to your relatives. Try to find out the details of your parents' childhood, your grandparents' childhood, from which village they have come, from which place they have come, where they have studied. Talk to your relatives. They may be at different places. You got enough communication, enough means of communication. Talk to them. Find out about that. All these days you didn't have this much of time. Try to write a book. Try to write a poem. Let your daily diary be more elaborate, not just 4 lines or 10 lines. Right? So that no, later on you can publish my Corona diary. It should become a super seller. Okay, this way, whenever there is a problem, there is a solution. This is what I am doing. All these days when I am at home, of course, school is going on, heads program is going on, those responsibilities, they are there on me, but I am finding some extra time. So I was spending this time to counsel people with regard to COVID. Lots of my videos on social media have become viral. So I did something to the society. I want every Slater to do this. I mean, do this mean not necessarily on COVID, not necessarily on Corona, whatever your interest. Okay? So it will not last for long. And when it gets over, when you look back, अरे एक दो दिन ज़्यादा होना था, I mean control ఎక్కువ ఉంటే బాగుండేది అనిపిస్తుంది. Because you will never get it back in life.